Hello, my name is Madison Evans. I am the founder of Better You in Rexburg, Idaho. I am a college student here at Brigham Young University, Idaho, and am a strong believer of the positive benefits regular exercise has. I am currently studying public health and am in my senior year of school. I am very excited to graduate, and I understand firsthand as a college student myself how hard it can be to try to balance different parts of our lives. With being a student, working, family life, and friends, and trying to fit exercise into your daily routine can be tough. It can be very overwhelming, but today I will be talking more about my program, Better You, and why I created it, and why I think you should consider joining us. You can improve your mental health and mood with an exercise routine. As a college student, it can be stressful, but I am here to show you why you should come join Better You. Better You is a new program that will be offered here at Brigham Young University, Idaho. It is a great way to make friends and accomplish your fitness goals with other students. It is time to take your fitness goals to the next level, and you don't have to do it alone. Our launch date will take place this winter on January 12th, 2022. It will be the start of a new year, and it's time to make some new goals. This meeting will be held in the MC building at Crossroads at 7 p.m. So feel free to bring your friends, family, or even your roommates, and we will also be holding educational classes, and they will take place every Tuesday and Thursday at 7 p.m. in the MC building in room 204. We will also have workshops and guest speakers there. Better You also has a great goal-setting workshop, group fitness classes, and even personalized one-on-one training. We want to be there for you every step of the way and make sure that you have all the resources you need to balance your life and become a better version of yourself. So come join us and make sure to sign up at betteru.edu and come begin your fitness journey. We want to help you succeed, so make time in your day for exercise, and the Better You program is a perfect place to start. Thank you for taking the time to hear more about our program, and we hope to see you at the launch meeting. If you have any questions, please feel free to email them to me at maddie@betteru.com. And look for some flyers located on campus as well. Thank you.